By Matthew Daly, Zeke Miller and Mary Clare Jalonick, Associated Press Washington. The General Services Administration ascertained Monday that President-elect Joe Biden is the apparent winner of the November 3 election, clearing the way for the start of the transition from President Donald Trump's administration and allowing Biden to coordinate with federal agencies on plans for taking over on January 20. Trump, who had refused to concede the election, said in a tweet that he is directing his team to cooperate on the transition but is vowing to keep up the fight. Administrator Emily Murphy made the determination after Trump efforts to subvert the vote failed across battleground states, citing recent developments involving legal challenges and certifications of election results. Michigan certified Biden's victory Monday, and a federal judge in Pennsylvania tossed a Trump campaign lawsuit on Saturday seeking to prevent certification in that state. Yohannes Abraham, the executive director of the Biden transition, said in a statement that the decision is a needed step to begin tackling the challenges facing our nation, including getting the pandemic under control and our economy back on track. He added, "In the days ahead, transition officials will begin meeting with federal officials to discuss the pandemic response, have a full accounting of our national security interests, and gain complete understanding of the Trump administration's efforts to hollow out government agencies." Murphy, a Trump appointee, had faced bipartisan criticism for failing to begin the transition process sooner, preventing Biden's team from working with career agency officials on plans for his administration, including in critical national security and public health areas. "Please know that I came to my decision independently, based on the law and available facts. I was never directly or indirectly pressured by any executive branch official, including those who work at the White House or GSA, with regard to the substance or timing of my decision," Murphy wrote in a letter to Biden. Trump tweeted shortly after her letter was made public, "We will keep up the good fight and I believe we will prevail. Nevertheless, in the best interest of our country, I am recommending that Emily and her team do what needs to be done with regard to initial protocols, and have told my team to do the same." Pressure had been mounting on Murphy as an increasing number of Republicans, national security experts and business leaders said it was time for that process to move forward. Retiring Tennessee Senator Lamar Alexander, who has repeatedly called for the transition to begin, released a new statement Monday saying that Trump should put the country first and help Biden's administration succeed. "When you are in public life, people remember the last thing you do," Alexander said. Republican Senator Portman of Ohio on Monday called for Murphy to release money and staffing needed for the transition.